what's up guys? So this is Shidang and I'm already here in Europe, specifically in Netherlands. So damoy nagpapakaya na ako even in my DMs the reason why di ako Netherlands. So in this video I would like to share the reason why. So di ako Netherlands not because I'm working. Rather, I'm here because I decided to be part of a cultural exchange program, and wherein this cultural exchange program is young people who will live in another country who are never married, waray ampon, and single, not in a relationship, like an official partnership, like single. And then okay lang may uyab I think, pero diri nga like engage, no. And then qualifications gyud niya is that dapat edad ito nga daraga is 18 to 25 years old only. So kung 25 ka na, pasok ka pa pag-apply na. So yeah, 18 to 25 years old, and dapat maarang mag-speak in English at least B1 level. Kay aside nga Dutch iton communication di dinera, I mean it era language yung maida. People here also can speak English, so bagat amot yung magiging mode of communication. Kay ako naman iton kung Filipino ka or waray tas ka man di ka wala mag-English as English adi di nakakaintindi Filipino waray, so diba di magkakasabutay. So good. And then dapat passport holder ka, of course, kay paano kami nga di wala mo passport, diba? And educational attainment, at least high school graduate or college graduate or even undergraduate, just like me. And fit to work dapat, like proven hiton medicals nga fit to work ka, wala yung sakit or whatsoever, di ba? Then dapat independent ka, caring, patient, kasi magkakalaga ka itong bata. Dili pwede nga maisog ka, tas no, madagmit short-tempered ka, madagmit ka mag-isog, dili pwede sugad, dili pwede. You are not fitted on this program kung aring tanon ka man, habubutin pasensya. It takes a lot of patience for this, and then willing to learn and adaptable ka dapat, kasi diba in the Philippines iba't weather tas language, diba, like iba talaga. Tas didi may upat nga season, winter, autumn, spring, summer, like yan, it's totally like mataghom talaga. So kailangan mo maging ready hiton kung gusto mo talaga hingi nga program mag-join. And then kailangan mo independent ka, team sarili. Yeah, normal lang ma-homesick, pero asya iton pakainit yung kalugaringon, kaya mo ba for 1 year nga away ka, kaya mo family, so good. And then of course dapat may the childcare experience, may experience mo pagtutod kabataan or pag-alagat kabataan. Let's say you're a teacher, a Sunday school teacher, or basta may childcare experience kang may proven in references. And then dapat marunong ka magluto, at least mga simple meals like sandwiches, fried eggs, omelette, pasta, yeah. And then you don't mind helping with household task. Dari nga domestic work talaga, rather like mga light lang ang mga trabaho. And then important to get fire didi, maram listening a program, dapat maharap ka magbike. Because here in the Netherlands, mostly talaga, ang tao, nagaano talaga maharap magbike. Bagat usan di na nga transportation is biking or cycling. So yeah. And kapag part ka na, so many nga yung cultural exchange program, pag mag-join ka ito, tatawag ko ang au pair. And then that au pair is that, pagkat may daw sa nga family abroad, like let's say in Europe, nga mag-a-adapt mo for 1 year, and then ato kaya maukoy for hindi mo katurugan yung food, tagang kanilang allowance, and then in exchange ito na siya ito childcare, mabulig ka, mainly task childcare, alagaan mo tayong anak, and then like mabulig ka ng light household task. Yeah, and may mga agencies to be part of this kung gusto mo. Mag-apply ka talaga, and you have to be patient kasi dili masayon mag-apply. You have to have that courage, determination to do this. I've been through this like 4 months. Almost 4 months ako ng application from October, November, December, February. Then, actually, wari ka babaydan. Kaka-agency, wari ako yung baydan. May ibang agency, mabayad ka, pero di man dako. And then, akon kasi nga part, like, anamula talaga yung baydan. Gastuhan ko nga talaga akong bulsa is that, akon mga documents sa Pilipinas. Yeah. And if you still have other questions, just feel free to message me or put it in the comment section. That's all for today. Bye bye.